Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing the revision or activity history for a Google Docs document. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to select where it says Version History, and then you can select where it says See Version History. At this point, it should list out all of the Google account names and what they edited on whatever specific date, and it should highlight modifications they made as well. So you can go ahead and actually select the three-dot icon next to it to view more actions, and you can make copies of certain versions. If for some reason certain versions have been modified, without proper access, or you want to revert back, you can go ahead and actually make copies of certain versions in here. And you can also search by version name if you chose to name any of these versions by up here, the version history up at the top. If you click the drop down, you can select named versions in here if you want to sort by a little bit more of an organized fashion, I would say. And if you want to revert back to one of these versions here, you just would select it on this list and then select restore this version up at the top. And then you'll be prompted if you want to confirm that selection, which you will select and restore at this point. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do apologize to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.